He was the undefeated champion. Faster, stronger, smarter than everyone else. But one day, the cheers stopped, and he had no idea why. Let me tell you the story of Kale, a boy who could outrun lightning, but couldn't outrun his own pride. Kale lived in a village obsessed with strength. Every year, the Arien Kai were held, a tough set of challenges which includes races where only one could win and earn the villagers' respect. Kale won every year. He was a legend at just 16. People chanted his name. Banners were raised. Fathers wanted their sons to be like him. Mothers wished their daughters would marry him. But pride. Pride is a slow poison with a sweet taste. One year, Kale stood atop the podium again. Drunk on victory, he laughed and mocked his opponents. "Is there no one left in this village who can even try?" The village elder stepped forward. His face was weathered like old stone, his eyes knowing. "One final challenge," he said, "if you truly seek greatness." Kale scoffed. "I've crushed every man here. What now, ghosts?" The elder clapped twice. From the shadows emerged 3 new challengers. A boy with a twisted spine, barely able to stand. A mute girl who couldn't speak or hear. An old man missing one arm and half his sight. Kale froze. "What kind of sick joke is this?" "A race," said the elder. "But this time, the goal isn't to finish first. It's to ensure no one finishes last." Kale rolled his eyes, but the crowd watched in silence. The race began. Kale took off like a storm. He crossed the finish line in seconds. He turned around. The others hadn't even made it halfway. No one clapped. No one smiled. Even the elder looked away. "Why aren't you cheering?" Kale yelled. The elder's voice was cold. "You didn't win. You abandoned them." The crowd began to murmur, not in awe, but in doubt. Whispers of arrogance, of emptiness. In a single moment, Kale, the hero, became Kale, the coward. That night, Kale sat alone. No chance, no glory, just silence. He returned the next morning, humbled, walked to the elder. "Let me try again." The elder said nothing, only nodded. This time, Kale didn't run. He walked beside the handicapped boy, used his body to shield the old man from wind, let the mute girl rest when her legs gave in. It took hours, but they crossed together. And when they did, the silence, thunderous applause, people weeping, children screaming his name, but this time not out of awe. Fight out of love. That day, Kale didn't win gold. He didn't break records. But he earned something more sacred. Respect. Not the kind that fears you, the kind that follows you, that lives in people's hearts long after your strength is gone. Thank you for watching. If this story moved you, share it. Someone out there needs to remember. Strength without kindness is weakness in disguise. Keep rising.